welcome back to another video. Today we solving the sales analysis third, the question from SQL series. So it has two table, product and the sales. So what the question asks to report the products that were only sold in first quarter of 2019. Okay, so the test case is like the product table having product ID, product name and the unit price as well, and in sales table the seller ID, product ID, buyer ID, sell date and quantity and price. Okay, so we have to find those product ID and product name who only sold in first quarter of 2019. Okay, so our basic idea here is to apply the between formula, between syntax or between approach from the 1st Jan to 31st March. Okay, so we have to join these two table on product ID basis, like the product ID is common in both table, and then apply condition on sale date column where the date between the 1st Jan and the 31st March. Okay, so I'm gonna make product table alias as p, so p dot product ID comma p dot from product alias as p, and we're gonna join the sales table alias as s on what basis? On the product ID basis. S dot product ID, and now our condition is where the sale date s dot sale date between the 1st Jan and the 31st March. So here we just want to see what it return. Okay, so let's see what it return. So it returned the two value, one is S8 and G4, the product ID 1 and product ID 2. Okay, so now see here the product ID 2 sold in 17 Feb and 2 June as well. Okay, but we only want those product who only sold in first quarter of 2019. Okay, so if you see, like they have some certain period, like from this date to this date only. Okay, so never use between. Okay, we have to see like the minimum date is Jan 1st Jan and the maximum date is 31st March. Okay, so we gonna use the minimum and maximum, not the between here. So remove this, and we have to group by using p dot product ID, then apply our having minimum s dot sale date is greater than equal to what? 1st Jan 2019, and the maximum should be less than and equal to the 31st March 2019. Okay, and why is less than equal to? Because it want inclusively. Okay, they want till the this date and this date, not the between. So now see what it return. Okay, group by product ID, not s dot sale date. Okay, so minimum and maximum, not the minimum and maximum. So we have to use and here. Okay, so don't forget to use and. So perfect. Now see, it return only the asset because the single the product ID 1 and the product name asset, only this product and product name sold in first quarter of 2019. So now submitting this question. So thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for the next video. I'm continuously uploading the LeetCode question from SQL series. So thank you.